disconnected. Recording.
Man, it's a beautiful day. It's 85 degrees. Actually, I was just looking at my watch to see, but it's humid. But as long as you're moving on a bike, it's not so bad. The worst thing is when you stop. Then you burn up. Your head gets real hot. Mine does. Actually, not too bad. This is the helmet I'm wearing, the Climb Cryos Pro, and it's actually a lot better than any I've ever had in the heat, no doubt, because the vents actually really work when a lot of them don't. You know how you got vents and you can't tell that they're working? I can on this one. Also, the tinted shield, it has the transition shield. It comes with a clear and it comes with a transition. This is the transition, and man, that tint makes a lot of difference. And really, the tint, looking through it, you think, well, it don't look tinted looking through it, but when you open it up, then you'll notice that it is, because it's bright out here. The sun's bearing down right now, but I'm not actually hot yet. I just had to go by a funeral visitation, run by there, and then headed toward the house, just going a different way than I usually do. I don't like taking the same route every time. But some days you just get off work, you know, and you just want to get home, and the quickest way to get there is the better. So, but most of the time, even doing that, I will still take these back roads, even if they're paved like this. I don't mind. I kind of enjoy the paved back roads like this, because as you notice, we ain't met a car yet. There's just not much traffic. Look at them dirt piles out there, man. Talk about a motocross. You ever do that? I go riding sometimes, or I'm driving in the vehicle, and you see a golf course, you think, man, now that would be fun to take the dirt bike out there and play, or even on the highways in the center median. Some of the center medians look like that would be an awesome place to go play. Of course, there's some people that do, but I've never done it. I went out and played in the ditches before on roads, but not in the center median of a 4-lane highway or anything like that. A little bit of a jump up here on the railroad tracks. There ain't no stop sign, and hopefully there's not a train coming. Well, I got a little bit of air. Both tires come off the ground. Not much. Front tire maybe 2 feet. It wasn't going fast enough. I've hit it pretty fast and got some pretty good air off of it. Watch that gravel. Hit that corner very fast, not paying attention, to be on your head. More right here. One thing on a motorcycle you gotta watch for. Back on the gravel again. I know. Don't quit my day job, huh? Oh man, it's nice and cool here. Check out the little crane, or a herring, but it's white if it is. Cool here too, you can tell where it's damp, the shaded spots, and the ground is still damp from the rain yesterday, and it's a lot cooler. Out in the sun it's pretty warm. I'm going to have to change my front tire for long. I can feel that it's getting where on the gravel it walks a lot. I can feel the tire walking around a lot. So I do have another stock OEM front tire that I need to put on there and go ahead and wear that one out. And then after that, because I have a new stock OEM IRC tire on the rear, after I wear both those out, I don't know what I'll get. I may get Dunlop D606s. I had them before, they was good. But I also, the Tractionator Desert HTs was the most amazing tire I've ever had out of all of them. As far as superior traction, they had unreal traction. And really tough made tires. So I may go with the Tractionators again, just because they were so good. Any water? Yeah, a little bit of water in this one. Gotta watch this slick snot on here. Yeah. I tried to wheelie there and I just spun my back tire. But the Tractionators, it's pretty hard to beat. Only problem I have with the Tractionators was they are so noisy. I mean, headache noisy on the highway if you go a long ways. Just running to work and back, it's not so bad. By the time I went to Springfield, I had to buy earplugs on the way back because it was so extreme. Yeah, that's after they wear in a little bit. When they're new, they're not so bad. But man, they're loud. But I may still go ahead and get them because I don't travel long distances on the highway. If I go anywhere too far, I'll put this thing in the back of the Gladiator and take it to where I'm going. So if you don't know what the Tractionators are, you can look back at my videos and just type in, do a search for Woodzman Tractionators. But I'll also put a link below to Tractionators, or actually just go on my, there'll be a link below to my Amazon, and then go to tires and tubes, I think it is on there. CRF250L tires and tubes. And you can get them on there. I need to lube my chain, I can hear it squeaking. So guys, I'm not too far from the house. Thank you for watching my videos. As I said before, check out my Amazon below, my link to Amazon. And if you purchase stuff up there, it helps me out on the channel with a little bit. It don't pay much, but a little bit at a time, the more and more it is, the more it adds up. So it kind of helps out a little bit. And also, as I said, if you take that link, if you'll save that as your Amazon start page when you go to Amazon, even though if you don't buy stuff off me, if you just do your searches and go from there to buy stuff, then I still get a percentage of it because you started out on my page. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate all my subscribers after all these years that stayed with me, and all the new ones and the new watchers. But click the thumbs up on this video. Please don't forget that. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. Oh, what in the world was that? And I'll catch you all on the next one. Piece of chain that I don't need, but I'm gonna pick it up out of the road. It's got a little link. Oh well, I'll probably take that guy off, but he'll get over it, or not, who cares. Thank y'all for watching. Right on.